What's up, everybody? This is Stephen Palomino for my Java 1 Week 4 video review. I'm just going to go over the app and also my code to show what I did this week. All right. So first of all, I used the Instagram API, and I'm just searching hashtags and also displaying the username and likes. So if I search for dog, for example, the connection is found, and it also shows the progress bar on the bottom here, and it is can be annoying that the connection found pops up, but it is checking every time, and I wanted to display that. So if you take out the connection, which I will do here, then go back to the app, search for dog again, you have connection not found, and then obviously if you reconnect, it will load again, and there it is. So I'm going to go over my code now. Basically, I've got the check connection method here in another .java file, and most of the main stuff happens here in the main.java. But basically, first I've set all the equal variables here. Then I, on the onCreate, set the button that's pressed here, and then when you push the button is when most of the heavy lifting happens. So for example, it checks the obviously first it checks the connection, and then pulls the result from the text field here. Then if it's online, it passes, it lets you know that it's connected, and then passes that the result of the excuse me, of the search parameter into the fetch Instagram method, which I'll go over here in a bit. But if it's not, it'll show connection not found. Or I'm sorry, it'll show the connection not found toast down here. So then it goes, it also hides the keyboard once you click the button. So that's the last thing that happens. The next thing is the actual, and this is the actual URL here that it creates the result that's being passed back. The actual method is here, extends the async, so there's the asynchronous. I've got a few arrays here as one of the requirements. I'm storing several of the pictures, username, the likes, and then the images. So that's all being stored here. The difference between pictures and the search images is the pictures is just the string, and then the bitmap. The search images is the actual bitmap. So I'm passing the string into a method to pull the bitmaps, and then storing the bitmaps here in this array. I'm sure there was an easier way, but just for speed's sake, I did it that way. So first, here's the we're sending out the request here, opening the connection, storing the input stream and the JSON string, and then using that string here to sort through all the data. So putting the images and URL into the pictures, and username and likes and so on, and then capturing the catch if there's anything there. Then on the pre-execute, we are showing the progress bar, setting that to visible, and then on post, we are setting all the values, and then also running this the set invisible here for the progress bar. So that's it for the code. It was pretty challenging this week to get. There was a couple things that weren't working, but overall it was pretty good. It was pretty good. So again, my name is Stephen Palomino, and this has been my Week 4 Java 1 video review. Thanks.